this result is because of the cation of lithium pH6. It can activate the degradation of epoxide unit in epoxidized polyurethane film. And for the preparing of ionic liquid incorporation polyurea film, we found the same result as polyurethane film. But when we compare the conductivity, we found that the polyurea incorporated with the ionic liquid with lower conductivity. So next part I will talk about the CSCD PCl incorporated polyurethane film. This kind of ionic liquid we found that is more compatible with the polyurethane film because this kind of ionic liquid it consists of the